الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم صدق الله العظيم বিতাড়িত শয়তান হতে মহান আল্লাহর কাছে আশ্রয় প্রার্থনা করছি। পরম করুণাময় অসীম দয়ালু মহান আল্লাহর নামে শুরু করছি। পর তোমার কুকুর নামে
নমস্কার। ওম নমো ভগবতে বাসুদেবায়। 7 ও 8 নম্বর শ্লোক। যদা যদা হি ধর্মস্য গ্লানির্ভবতি ভারত অভ্যুত্থানম ধর্মস্য তদাত্মনাং সৃজম্যহম পরিত্রাণায় সাধূনাং বিনাশায় চ দুষ্কৃতাং ধর্ম সংস্থাপনার্থায় সম্ভবামি যুগে যুগে। অর্থ: যখনই ধর্মের অধঃপতন এবং অধর্মের উদ্ভব হয় তখনই আমি নিজেকে সৃজন করি। সাধুদের পরিত্রাণ, দুষ্টদের বিনাশ এবং ধর্মকে পুনঃস্থাপন করতে আমি যুগে যুগে আবির্ভূত হই। ওম শান্তি, ওম শান্তি, ওম শান্তি। সর্বজীবের মঙ্গল হোক। নমস্কার।
যার বাংলা অর্থ মূর্খদের সঙ্গ না করা, জ্ঞানীদের সঙ্গে মেলামেশা করা, যারা শ্রদ্ধার যোগ্য তাদের সম্মান করা, এটাই সর্বোত্তম মঙ্গল। সব্বে সত্তা সুখিতা ভবন্তু, জগতের সকল প্রাণীর সুখ সাধু সাধু সাধু।
বাইবেল পাঠ করছি হিতোপদেশ 4 অধ্যায় 6 থেকে 9 পদ পর্যন্ত। জ্ঞানকে ত্যাগ করো না, সেই তোমাকে রক্ষা করবে। তাকে ভালোবেসো, সেই তোমার উপর নজর রাখবে। জ্ঞানী হওয়ার প্রথম ধাপ তোমার যা কিছু আছে সব দিয়ে বিচার বুদ্ধি লাভ করো। জ্ঞানকে প্রথম স্থান দাও, সেই তোমাকে উঁচুতে তুলবে। তাকে জড়িয়ে ধরো, সে তোমাকে সম্মান দেবে। সে তোমার মাথার উপর দেবে সুন্দর মালা আর উপহার দেবে সৌন্দর্যের মুকুট। এই হলো প্রভুর বাণী, প্রভুর জন্য।
Congratulations to the graduating students who are present here and those who could not attend but will be getting degrees in absentia for their hard work. Special congratulations to all the award winners and their parents for their achievements. Office Depot University of Science and Technology was established in 2004 by the initiative of a group of philanthropists, distinguished academicians, industrialists, and bureaucrats under the leadership of late Professor Yazuddin Ahmed, former President of the People's Day of Bangladesh. His wife, eminent Professor Dr. Anwar Begum, was the first chairman of the Board of Trustees and founder of Vice Chancellor of this university. On this special occasion, I express my sincere gratitude to all who has contribution in different roles in establishing this university. I also pray to Almighty Allah to bless their eternal souls with it. Currently, there are 30 undergraduate and 12 postgraduate programs under 5 faculties. I am pleased to report that Odisha University of Science and Technology achieved permanent certificate, that is Thai for maintaining rules and regulations of UGC and the government of Bangladesh. This Sharad
2005 and global spokesperson for the Global Bangladeshis Alliance for Human Rights, representing 21 diaspora-based human rights groups. He also campaigns for non-resident Bangladeshis voting rights and NID access to deepen diaspora engagement with Homeland. A founder trustee, member secretary, and current chairman of the Board of Trustees of ADUST, he initiated the Skills Development Institute (SDI) to equip youth with employable and entrepreneurial skills. His family shares his educational dedication. His wife Dorina Lazi graduated together in same year from Dhaka University in social welfare. His son Azmain Zarif studied at Cambridge and Oxford, now working as a physician at Mayo Clinic, USA. His
of the Board of Trustees and the convener of the Convocation Committee to deliver his speech.
Distinguished Chief Guest, Special Guests, Honorable Representatives from Government, Industry Sectors, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Faculty Members, proud parents, and my dear graduates, Assalamu Alaikum and very good morning. This is a day of celebration, a day of achievement, and day of renewed commitment. On behalf of the Board of Trustees, I congratulate every graduate, and extend deep appreciation to the parents and guardians whose sacrifices made this moment possible. As chairman, it gives me immense pride to stand before you at a historic moment in the journey of Odisha University of Science and Technology. Yet this pride is also accompanied by a sense of responsibility, because we meet at a time when Bangladesh is standing at a crossroad. Blessed with one of the largest youth populations in South Asia, but challenged by an acute mismatch.
Spearheading the Nakkal Prathirodh Andolon, introducing the first teacher registration system, and taking national initiative like protecting Jatka to save the Hilsha. A visionary policymaker, author of influential books, and a powerful public voice, Dr. Milan continues to champion education, skills, and a future-ready Bangladesh.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is our privilege to invite our convocation speaker, Dr. A.N.M. Ehsanul Haq Milan, to deliver the convocation address.
Chancellor and the honorable members of the Board of Trustees, above all the graduates and the honorable parents. It's a privilege for me to stand before you. A convocation marks both an ending and beginning of academy. Pursue the beginning of life and a long journey of your life. After hard working for years of dedication, discipline,
Present their candidates from their respective faculty gradually. Professor Dr. Ashish Kumar Bhattacharjee, Dean, Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Professor Dr. Mohammad Ashraf Ali Khan, Dean, Faculty of Business. Professor Dr. Masuma Akhtar, Dean, Faculty of Health Sciences. Associate Professor Fahmida Kashim, Dean, Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences, and A.A. Mohammad Saeed, Dean and Chairperson, Faculty of Laws. As the Dean announces the names, graduates from each faculty will stand together in front of their seats. Dear students, as the Deans announce your names, graduates from each faculty will stand together in front of their seats.
The candidates, under the Faculty of Engineering and Technology from the summer 2021 to spring 2025. They have completed all the requirements for the award of their respective degrees. I recommend that their degrees be conferred. Thank you, Honorable Chancellor.
বিশেষ ডিপার্টমেন্টের সিটে দাঁড়িয়ে যাবেন।
Honorable President of the Convocation, I do hereby present the candidates under the Faculty of Business Study from the summer 2021 to spring 2025. Honorable Chancellor, they have successfully completed all requirements for the award of their respective degrees. I recommend that their degrees be conferred. Thank you, Honorable Chancellor.
Honorable Chair of the Convocation, I, Professor Dr. Mohammad Masuma Akhtar, now present the candidates of the Faculty of Health and Sciences from the summer 2021 to spring 2025. Honorable Chancellor, they have successfully completed all requirements of the award of their respective degrees. Thank you, Honorable Chairman.
Honorable Chancellor, I, Fahina Hashim, Dean of the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences, do hereby present the graduates under the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences from summer 2021 to spring 25 to you. Honorable Chancellor, they have fulfilled all requirements for the conferral of their respective degrees. I recommend that their degrees be conferred. Thank you, Honorable Chancellor.
Honorable Chancellor, they have successfully completed all requirements for the award of the respective degrees. Thank you, Honorable Chancellor.
Now, I would like to request the Honorable Chancellor to announce the declaration of degrees confirmation. Dear students, please stand. Out of respect, please stand. Shabbai দাঁড়িয়ে যাবেন।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. By virtue of authority vested in me as the representative of the Honorable Chancellor of Udaysti Banga University of Science and Technology, and upon the recommendation of the Faculty Council and the Syndicate of the University, I hereby declare the degrees conferred upon the graduates of MA in English, MEd, LLM, MBA, RMBA, EMBA in Business and Agribusiness, MPharm, MPH, BSc in TEPLI, BSc in CSE, BSc in ETE, BSc in Textiles Technology, Engineering and Textile Engineering, BSc in Civil Engineering, BPharm, BCom, BA Honors in English, LLB Honors, BEd, BBA in Business and Agribusiness. Heartiest congratulations to all of you, my dear new graduates. Assalamu alaikum.
Congratulations, dear graduates. You have achieved your degrees. As a symbol of your transition from student to graduate, you may now shift your tassel from the right to left. Graduates, you may now be seated. and gentlemen, we have now reached one of the most distinguished and eagerly anticipated moments of today's
Honorable Chancellor, I am now announcing the names of the graduates of various faculties as the achievers of the Beauty Charities Award who passed from summer 2021 to spring 2025 with remarkable results, and also humbly request you to present their award. From graduate 4 years program, Prasenjit Das, Department of Agribusiness, Faculty of Business. Rokia Akhtar Suchi, Department of Pharmacy, Faculty of Health Sciences. N.D. Rokrut Jaman, Department of Tripoli, Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Kaji Nice, Fatima Lamoni, Department of Law, Faculty of Laws. From graduate program, Israt Jahan, Department of Public Health, Faculty of Health Sciences. Thank you, Honorable Chair.
না ওখানে না দেখে মুন্সিপালের দিকে দেয়ার কথা লাঞ্চের সাথে দিকে
Ladies and gentlemen, now I would request Honorable Dean Hamida Bashir, Dean Faculty of Arts and Social Science, to kindly present the graduates to the Vice Chancellor for receiving the Vice Chancellor's Award. Now I request Honorable Dean Hamida Bashir.
আমি নিচতলায় এক নিচে সামনে তুমি কই নিচতলায় নিচতলায় ফাঁকা আছে হ্যাঁ এই দেখো এই দাঁড়াই এই দেখে মানে গেটের দিকে আসবে হ্যাঁ এটা দাঁড়াইছে ওই যেখান থেকে ভিডিও করতে হবে না ক্যামেরাম্যান তার একটু পিছনে দাঁড়ায় আসবে পাইছো ওকে ক্যামেরাম্যানটা যে ভিডিও করতেছে
Honorable Chancellor, I have the privilege of announcing the names of the graduates who have been selected for the Vice Chancellor's Award. Mohammad Shajul Haladar, Department of Agribusiness, Faculty of Business. Mr. Abhijit Biswas, Department of Tripoli, Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Mohammad Shahid Jamal Chaudhry, Department CSE, Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Sumaya Akhtar, Department Law, Faculty of Law.
জিকির দিল
হ্যাঁ আমি বলছিলাম
Sonia Shopman Mulba, 11, Department of Law, Faculty of Law.
Pharmaceuticals Limited. Standing before you right now
is a registered pharmacist and a proud graduate of Otis Dipankar University of Science and Technology with a budding career of 5 months in Bangladesh's pharmaceutical industry, full of hope and dedication for a bright future. As I stand before you at this precious moment, I am reminded that none of us has arrived at this point by accident. We are here because of the countless early mornings, late nights, unfinished drafts, group projects, and so on, all of which tested our competence and patience. With a few miracles pulled off
বুঝছেন ড্রোন দিয়ে ছবি তুলতেছে
we have
এটা ক্যামেরা
a laser show to celebrate this joyous occasion. We hope that you all will enjoy the show.
আমার কাগজপত্র কবে নিয়ে আসবো
Due to few technical problems, we are late. Please wait for our laser show.
Us at a pride election. Dr. A.N.M. Besarabakmilan, as a former State Minister for Education, demonstrated his outstanding leadership to ensure education governance. On that time, almost the whole nation was highly impressed with his contribution, for example, to drive out the copy or number in exam system. We know all of this contribution. Till now, one question made us answer what is meant by education. And are we in the right direction on the linkage between education?
Right. Today, we are deeply honored to welcome a visionary educator, an exemplary leader, and a true son of the soil, Professor Dr. S.M.A. Files.
The speechless. The person who is sitting there very quietly, Chief Academic Advisor of the University, distinguished deans of the faculties, honorable faculty members, in front of me, the guardians of the students, and the graduating, most importantly, the graduating students of the University of Otis Dipankar Science and Technology. Assalamu alaikum. I know that many of you are but today the world is in front of your eyes, below your fingertips. And what you did in the last July movement, my dear graduate students, will change this nation. By your determination, by your dedication, by your devotion, by your intelligence. And at one stage, while the movement came to kind of stand still, the women students of the university broke open the gates of the house and came out in large numbers. and the students of their primary universities, including Othish Dipankar University of Science and Technology, joined all the students' community and created a change that the whole world, including Bangladesh, looked with wonder and awe. The greatest change we see in nature is how a caterpillar, an insect, become butterfly.
খাবার যেখানে ভিতরে আয় না
Ahora